Hello everyone and welcome to the FinLearn Academy and MTrade software. So in the series of week gone by, we will look at how the week was and what are the key levels for this week. So in one previous week, the market has continued to move on the high side. It has gained more than a 2% and it has formed a strong bull candle. So it indicates that means still the bulls are active. If we look it from the sectoral perspective, so there was a move, means let's say in a previous move from this point to this point, in this particular move the private banking stock has taken a lead where they were driving the market. But now from this point to this point, the private banking stocks has come to the back seat and PSU banks has started to find tractions. Along with the PSU banks, the metal stocks, reality stocks, and yes, of late the auto stocks has started to pick up its momentum. So these are the main four stocks or sectors in this particular upside momentum. If the market is improving, so these stocks or sectors are likely to do better in a coming time. From the Fibonacci extension perspective, if we see from the previous swing level, so this is what the previous point that we have seen. So latest move that we see means index is already reached at a 131.2 retracement level, which comes at around 12,330. The market is a little bit slightly away from this, but that is fine. Means this is what the Fibonacci extension resistance levels. So it is in one of the resistance levels, but as of now we didn't witness any kind of the weakness sign. So underlying bias remains a positive for the market. Secondly, if we see that means if the market continues to move on the high side and if the 12,250 level takes out on a sustainable basis, then what can be the next best resistance level? So next best resistance levels can be around 13,519, which is in a 161.8. Along with that means let's say this is what a last move that I have captured. If I take the first move as well, means the first extension on the first move, from where the major dip has happened and from there the prices has started to pick up its momentum. So let's say this is what the bottom is all about. Prices has went up on the high side and it came down to this point and again it has started to pick up its momentum. So here if I connect Fibonacci extensions, so we can understand that means the 161.8 of this and almost 100% of the earlier move are near about the same level. So the next best level we can say that means the 12,600 around. This is what the potential resistance is all about. But that is possible once we see the sustainable basis or sustainable close above the 12,250, 12,000, 13,250 and 30,300 above if the market is sustaining. So next best level will be around the 12,600 level. On the lower side, up to what level we can hold our positive view or positive bias. So the immediate base of this rally is a 12,700 level, we can say. So as far as the 12,700 level is intact, we can say that means market remains on the positive side from a mid-term perspective. But if we look it from the short-term perspective, and for that purpose we are coming down to the lower time frames. So in a low time frame, there are multiple levels that has been created or market has showed a certain kind of reactions around this point. Means let's say around this point, market has found a kind of reactions which is a 12,950. So as far as the 12,950, 960 is concerned, the things are fine in a short term. As far as mid-term is concerned, the 12,700 is in key level which holds a bull's territory. On the high side, index is at a resistance point, but if it is sustaining above 13,300 level, let's say, so the next best upside momentum can be near about a 13,600 level. View remains a positive but with a cautious because we are at a resistance point. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the education purpose only. Thank you so much.